Hello everyone, today is a declutter and kind of more reorganization type of video. I have talked a few times about wanting to move all of my like pigments, cream eyeshadows, glitters, like everything that's in here. There's also some glitters over this way which I will show you soon. I just can't fit it all in one frame. And I think I want to put all of my lashes in this top drawer so I can actually see all of my lashes, because the way I've got them in my drawer at the moment, if you've seen my declutters before, like, yeah, I just can't really see what I've got. I can't see them all, so I think it'd be handier just to lay them out flat. I'll move a little bit of this stuff here into one of the drawers above my mascaras, which is what we decluttered last time. And I'm going to also reorganize these into my acrylic drawers, which you'll see in this video. And then I think I might, in my next video when I do my blushes and highlighters, I might kind of spread them out a little bit into the new space we'll have from where my lashes were before. It'll make sense as we go, but basically I'm just going to move like all of this stuff, put lashes in here and reorganize it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you still love declutters, let me know. If you don't, let me know so that, you know, I'm doing stuff you guys like. And don't mind my nails, I did a DIY and like trimmed them right back because they got way too long for me. So if they're crooked, it's my fault. So I think I'll just fast forward this bit. I'm basically probably just gonna start taking stuff out. Or am I don't really know. Do I set up? Maybe I will set up my acrylic drawers and we'll kind of transfer it over and declutter as we go. Because I don't really know, like, just from looking what I want to declutter. Like, I think I'll definitely get rid of some stuff. Like, I haven't even touched these, so I think I'll get rid of these. These are the Norvina Cake eyeliners, because I've got other ones I use. I'm actually working on my own, so like I've never even used them. I probably don't need them. And I'll probably get rid of like the Grinch stuff because you can't get it anymore. Yeah, I think I'll move the camera and let's kind of go through this together. So first I'm going back to this top drawer. I moved my P.O.BOX bases over into this like section just here. I'm sorry if the lighting's bad, I can't really tell if it's good or not. This has gotten a little bit messy already since my declutter. Let me just straighten it up a little bit. Alright, I'm thinking I'll just put some cream eyeshadows up here because we've kind of got like gel liners, or maybe I'll do my, yeah, maybe I'll do my little cake eyeliners. So I've got all of those gel liners. We have some like paint pots, which to be honest, like these are really old, so I think I might actually declutter. There we go. So I have my Shanxo bases, which I like because they're a little bit colourful. Some Ice to Mesmerize. Why was I going to say memorize? Some like gel, not gel liners, what are they called? Like the water activated cake liners. We've got our Huda Beauty cream eyeshadows. Some more gel eyeliners, colourful eye bases, and kind of some glitter top coats and things in there. And then I am going to have a whole lot in my acrylic drawers. So let's do that next. I think this is going to be like the most satisfying part about this video, so yay. So some of you may remember these acrylic drawers because I cleared them out and organised them in my like lip pencil eyeliner declutter, which I'll link down below for you. So I'm thinking, yeah, I will put a whole lot of stuff in these. I think I'll start with all of my glitters. So for reference, these are all of my glitters. I've got so many. I kind of collect them. They don't expire, and these ones are Eye Safe by Lit Cosmetics mostly. I've got a couple of other brands down there too, but Lit Cosmetics does make like a whole lot of my favorites, and you can see I've color coordinated them a little bit, so I think I'm just going to kind of transfer these over. So get ready for the click clack sounds. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope they fit nicely. I guess we'll find out, because you can see here they like fit perfect, like so perfect. Oh, first problem. Okay. Well, that's a bummer. That's not going to work. So let's backtrack now. I guess we'll go in with like my Colourpop Jelly Much eyeshadows and my pigments and things like that. Let's just see if any of them fit. Oh gosh, this might completely destroy all of my plans. These here are my like Interstellar little top coat things by Mecca. I'm not even sure if they make these anymore, but I still love them. Like, they're so fun. We have our Jelly Much eyeshadows. And then next I think we will do some top coats by Natasha Denona and then like pressed pigments. Are these even going to fit though? Oh my god, no. Alright, these are the Tarte like chrome eyeshadow paint things, and I've also got the Kylie versions. I also have the Marc Jacobs sequins ones. Pillow Talk, Hourglass, the Jar Cosmetics, and the Auric are not going to fit. Next up, let's do some pigments. I'm considering popping all of my MAC ones in here. Like, do I lay them down? They fit borderline. I'm actually gonna just check I don't have double ups of all these minis, so the ones that I've already kept. And I know that it kind of looks uglier this way, but I can see the colours so much better, and I'm like looking at these right now and I'm like, holy shit, like I feel so inspired to like play with them because I can actually see them together, and some of these look so fun. Like, I'm obsessed. Look at this purple glitter. Like, are you joking? This one is called 3D Lavender, if you're wondering. But yeah, I actually prefer them like that. I can really see them, and they aren't actually like jammed in there. Like, the drawer goes, oh my god, if I can get it in there. Like, the drawer goes in and out really easily. So I actually prefer this. Now I'm going to try and make a little bit of room for just all the minis. So first I'll just get rid of any duplicates because I have so many. They all sit here like that. Either that, or I can actually just keep them like this and pop them on top. Like, that's fine. I do have just a few like single eyeshadows. Barely any, so I might just pop them in, I don't know, in amongst one of these drawers. at the back. There's some Urban Decay and MAC ones. And I do have my Duraline as well, which I love for pigments, and I sometimes use it in my mascara to like make my mascaras more wet. So I might just pop that like in here so I can see where it is. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll show you where this is gonna go. So it's up here, and yes, I know people are like, oh well, you'll never reach for the stuff that's over there, but I do. I reach for the stuff like every single day. I've also got my hair clips down below and like that one down there that you can kind of see. And I don't want to talk about my plant, I've killed it. And literally what I do while I'm filming or like just doing my makeup is I'll just pull out the whole drawer and put it in front of me. So I know it seems like this is just going to be a waste because you think, oh well, you're not going to like reach for those, but I actually will probably reach for them more often. Also, if you saw any colours that you're interested in me using for like a tutorial, let me know. And those are all foundations I've got to try out there, and I mean I've tried a couple of them. I need to declutter them a little bit. So yeah, that actually worked out pretty well, but now I am left with all of the stuff that does not fit in those little drawers. I'm so bummed. So do I just remove 2 and use 2 spaces for my lashes? Maybe we can start there, and then I'll figure out where I'm going to put all of these other things soon. Actually, in fact, I think I'm going to declutter the Inglot ones. I've had them for years. Never use them anymore. Never use the sugar pill, and I've got dupes from with the OPV beauty ones that I've kept already, so I will get rid of like all of those. The top coats I definitely want to keep some. I think I might get rid of my Nabla glitter palette. I might give these to a friend, the Auric cream eyeshadows. I've kept so many cream eyeshadows already. These are beautiful, but there's only so many you can use. I definitely want to keep my jar pigments. I think they're so stunning, especially for in the corner. They're so bright. So I'll find a place for them soon. And then as far as these Natasha Denona top coats, like I think I might just like declutter a few of them. Like there's this black one, I swear I just probably will never use it. So alright, so I kept like half of those. Now I'm going to take these inserts out. And it's time to see if we can fit my lashes in here. So this is just going to be fast forward. I'm just going to literally pop all my lashes flat so I can see them. I'm pretty sure these ones are all mink, like these were sent to me, so I think I'll just get rid of any mink styles. I'm obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes. I think those are dope. I've got my faux mink lashes. I kind of know them off by heart. These do have like windows now. We upgraded the packaging. So yeah, these are just like the old boxes, the new ones. Look like this. They've got a window so you can actually see the styles, which is much more handy. So I'm not sure how to arrange those just yet. I guess I'll just like lay some on top for now. To like use them up. I'll crack into them pretty quick anyways and use some of them up and then just kind of maintain the space because I've got like so many of the same pairs in here. So yeah, I think it'll be fine. I've still got like heaps of lashes in my like other drawers that aren't part of my makeup storage, so I will have to sort that out, but I don't know. I don't know if I regret doing this or not. It's definitely easier for me to see what I've got now. These are still kind of like not really easy to see. But I don't know. I feel like if I could have moved all of these glitters, it would have been a bit better. I don't know. I'm just going to mull it over and just figure out what I want to do. I'm going to continue my next declutter, you know, doing my blush and highlighter and kind of see how much space I use there. And then maybe we can still rejig this a little bit and move around the glitters and things. Perhaps like they could even go in one of the drawers if there's like still a spare drawer space. I'm not too sure yet. We're just gonna like take as it comes. And then Natasha Denona Chroma top coats and the jar pigments I'm just gonna pop in a drawer somewhere for now and figure that out later. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what to do. I think I'm just so excited to move into the new house. It's, you know, being built at the moment, and like do a whole video like setting up my new beauty room, moving all my makeup into my new like makeup storage. I feel like it's going to be so much fun because I won't be keeping this makeup storage, but I will probably keep the inserts so I can just kind of like pop the inserts into the new drawers, if that makes sense. I don't know. Let me know if you have any advice for me, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!